I'm just gonna do some weird burps if you don't mind.
Ow.
What the fuck? These nuts?
Nuts.
Bitch. Sweater. Luke, I am your father. I look like a hippopotamus.
That made no sense. Or dollars.
By the way, if you think these burps are gross, do not mess with a crazy burping bitch. Roasted monkey nuts. What the hell is wrong with me?
Oh, that's nasty. Big fluffy sweater hugs. Subscribe and be sure to click the notification bell so you'll be notified about my latest sweater videos. And don't forget to share my videos with all your sweatery friends.